Hey guys, I wanted to give you a rare look into my house, what it looks like when we're harvesting. We did take all the canned goods down to the cellar over the weekend when my kids were here, and so we started again for the week. I'm going to show you the dining room and the kitchen. This is a rare look into what it looks like on our homestead. These are the potatoes that are drying or curing. This is what we've taken some down to the cellar. I have canned a lot. I don't even know how many I've canned. And this is what's left. This is what our dining room floor looks like right now. The table, that's 14 jars I canned yesterday. We still have jars everywhere. I'm talking some of our canned goods we eat. More jars that have wax on them. Danny's got to take and get the wax off of. It takes a lot of jars to do these potatoes. We'll probably do about half of these and store the rest fresh to eat. So let's look at the kitchen. Water bath counters ready to go. Hoss tool bucket ready for picking berries. The canner is ready to go for today because we're going to be using it in a little bit with the carrots. Coffee cup, coffee very important. Water, very important. Shelled the last of our English peas last night. These are the last few seeds. They're going out. This is the last of the tomatoes from the greenhouse. I'm sorry, the potatoes in the dining room was the day before. This is the ones from yesterday. 14 from yesterday, 14 from the day before. The stove where Danny cooked this morning, I got to clean it up. I'm so OCD, I got to clean before I start canning. Okay, in the floor, a bucket, about half a bucket of carrots ready to go. I've got the tops off. We just got to scrub them and cut them up. Two here, this got to be scrubbed and cut up. Again, the tops are off. Dishes. I have to wash dishes before we even start. So tired last night I didn't even get that done. The food buckets, I will take them out because we'll use them for any of the skins and stuff. And guys, onions. These all have to be cut up and put in the freezer. So that's a look at some of my kitchen and my dining room during the times that we are canning. When we're in full can mode, nothing stays cleaned up, nothing's perfect. So I'm OCD. I like to have my dishes done, but it doesn't always happen. At 10 o'clock at night when I'm through, sometimes that doesn't get done. So I'm getting back to canning carrots. Talk to you guys later. Rare look into Deep South's dining room, kitchen while we're canning. Okay, now I can can. You see, everything's cleaned up. The jars are put in the dining room. I've got 28 jars in there still. Already canned the potatoes, plenty of potatoes to go. But the bar is looking nice. We've got the canner ready. We've got our water that's going in our jars. We're going to boil it. We've got the water to heat the jars. Got extra rings and lids, more jars. The carrots. I'm going to start with the purple ones first, and then a whole nother half a bucket down here. Still got the onions, but guys, the dishes are done. Most of them put away, and I can handle my kitchen, my OCD, when I go to can. Looks pretty great, guys. Thank you from Crazy Days.